Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a high-quality grooming tool with a touch of elegance, the Manufaktur Solingen Paua Straight Razor. This razor features a 5/8-inch carbon steel blade and a beautiful Paua shell handle, promising a refined shaving experience. Let's see if this razor lives up to the hype. The Manufaktur Solingen Paua Straight Razor is a traditional tool designed for a precise, close shave. It combines a 5/8-inch carbon steel blade, known for its sharpness and longevity, with a stunning Paua shell handle that adds a unique aesthetic element to the grooming process. This razor is single-bladed, emphasizing the classic straight razor approach for those who prefer a more hands-on and customizable shaving experience. When it comes to actual usage, the Manufaktur Solingen Paua Straight Razor is a beauty. It's sharp, gliding smoothly across the skin and offers exceptional control. The 5/8 blade is perfectly balanced for most users, making it easy to maneuver around sensitive areas, such as under the nose or along the jawline. The Paua shell handle isn't just visually striking, but also provides a comfortable, firm grip during use, even when wet. The blade holds its edge well, offering consistent performance through multiple shaves. The main strength of this razor lies in its craftsmanship. The carbon steel blade delivers a sharp and long-lasting shave, while the Paua shell handle adds a luxurious touch that sets it apart from other razors on the market. It feels like a tool you can cherish for years. However, with straight razors, maintenance is key. Carbon steel requires more care to prevent rust, and this razor is no exception. If you're not accustomed to straight razors, there's a learning curve in terms of technique and stropping. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: the carbon steel blade provides a very sharp and close shave, ideal for experienced users. The Paua shell handle is not only visually appealing, but also offers a secure, comfortable grip. Precision and control are impressive, allowing for clean, smooth shaves with minimal irritation. Cons: the razor requires regular maintenance, especially with the carbon steel blade, which can rust if not properly cared for. It may not be ideal for beginners due to the learning curve involved in using a straight razor. In terms of value for money, the Manufaktur Solingen Paua Straight Razor is an investment, no doubt. Its price reflects the craftsmanship and high-quality materials used, especially the unique Paua shell handle. For someone looking for a traditional and elegant razor, it's worth the price. However, if you're new to straight razors, the cost might feel a bit steep, considering that you'll need to invest time in learning the proper techniques and caring for the blade. When comparing this to other straight razors, there are options at a lower price point that can provide a similar shave, but they may not have the same level of craftsmanship or aesthetic appeal. If you value precision and durability, this razor stands out from the crowd. But for those who don't mind a less luxurious handle, there are budget-friendly alternatives that can still offer a close shave. Build quality is where this razor truly shines. The Paua shell handle not only offers a unique design, but is also durable and long-lasting with proper care. As for the carbon steel blade, with regular stropping and proper maintenance, it should hold up well over time. That being said, if you fail to maintain it, you might encounter rusting or dullness, which could affect the shaving experience. While I haven't interacted with customer service directly, Beautyistic is known for their high-quality products and responsive customer support. Their reputation for handling inquiries and resolving issues is solid, so you can expect good service should any issues arise. For those looking for cheaper alternatives, there are some straight razors from other brands that feature stainless steel blades, which require less maintenance. However, they might not offer the same precision or longevity that the carbon steel blade does. Ultimately, if you're after an upscale experience, the Manufaktur Solingen is a top-tier choice, but other options may offer more convenience and less upkeep. To wrap it up, the Manufaktur Solingen Paua Straight Razor is a beautifully crafted, high-performing tool for those who enjoy the art of straight shaving. It's an investment in both performance and aesthetics, especially if you're a traditional razor user who appreciates quality materials. However, if you're just starting out or looking for something lower maintenance, this might not be the best fit for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts, and remember, stay beautiful inside and out. Until next time.